All right, welcome back to our channel. It's starting to get cold, so this is kind of a follow-up video. Made the roof for the beehive and it had some issues and it's been repaired. And so now we're going to insulate it for the winter. So what I'm going to do here first is I'm going to make a little ledge here so that in the winter time they can still get out whenever there's a bunch of snow here, and then we got insulation around it.
So basically we're winterizing our beehive even further.
Yes. So now they have a little landing pad there for whenever. Oh boy.
You have an escapee.
Okay, so first thing here is going to be that guy on there.
You want me to hold it?
This one goes on the back. Oops, easy there.
Yeah, there's some bees coming out here to say hello. Help us out.
Yes, help. Like our kids, help.
Right.
So you can see here, if you got in focus there, just cut a notch out of this so that it fits in around the lip of the roof here.
This will just help keep them a little extra warm when we get down really super cold. Which we do. -20 is not unheard of here.
Yeah, so because these guys, this is their first winter and everything, just wanted to have as much, give them as much of a chance as possible.
I'm going to hold that one.
So all I'm going to do is take a couple of ratchet straps here.
And we do already have the bee candy in here. I showed that in a previous video.
Yes.
That we have the bee candy that we made earlier in this hive. And they are getting to it because we took the mite board out and there was definitely a lot of bee candy all over the mite board.
Okay, so I got it kind of secured there. Doesn't take much to hold that foam in place. Probably could get by with just one strap, but I'll do two just because.
Better safe than sorry.
Yeah. Something like that.
It's kind of chilly out here tonight.
Alright, so I'm just going to leave these just tucked in, nothing special. May need to snug them up a little bit as it gets moisture on it. So you can see here I did a couple things. I put a little bevel on this so that whenever snow comes off of this, it wasn't running down inside and freezing and creating an icicle inside the blue board. And now you can see here in the front, so the entry hole is right here. And so now having this little platform on here gives them more space to land and be able to get in and out whenever it's got snow buildup on it. So I think that's about it for the winter. They're about prepared. We should be able to still, if we have to, take take the lid off here if we have to. Yeah, it slides up and down just fine.
Should be.
So we can access it and replace that candy board if we have to.
Hopefully we don't have to. Hopefully they won't go through that much candy, but
yep, we'll find out.
We will find out. It's our first winter with bees. We just want to give them the best chance here where it gets super cold. So, and yeah, you can see this is candy from the bee board that we made that's in there. Can't get that out. It's okay.
Nope, it's stuck in there now.
It's stuck in there now, but there's candy down there. So they are using the candy that we made them, which is good. That's what we made it for.
Wanna have a quick look inside?
Yeah. Can you get that off? Or you're taking the whole thing?
Oops. I guess I won't.
All right, we're not going to take it off. We'll take it off if we need to over the winter, but hopefully we won't need to. So that's,
there you go. That's how to insulate your beehive.
simple, quick, easy way to insulate and winterize your beehive.